Prolonged and frequent blackouts in Tamenglong District, Manipur have disrupted normal life, causing immense hardship to the people of Tamenglong, as the district is now reeling under power outage for the last 3 days again. Those who depend on electricity for daily breadwinning area hit hard by the blackout. Mobile phones also remain switched off as well. Electricity department has informed that Rengpang station did not get power, and 132 kV HT line from Laimetak to Rengpang has some faults. When power was available, some faults were detected again between Tamenglong and Rengpang station. When it was rectified, Rengpang station did not get power supply again from Laimetak. As a consequence, Tamenglong District is reeling under continuous total blackout for the past 3 days. There have been no condemnations from the apex body or frontal organizations so far. Tamenglong remains in the dark till the filing of this report.